Okay guys, I'm going to do a speed test for the aluminum card. I'm going to put two images onto the card, and this is a comparison speed between the F1 Ultra and the F1. So this is the F1 Ultra and this will be the F1. So we will see the speed between these two machines and how fast it's going to complete these two aluminum card. Okay, so first of all we will go into the Ultra first. Okay, and I will just go into the framing and we will see how fast it goes for the Ultra. Okay, so I'll go into the start and then close the cover, and we'll see how long it will take. So the power, I'm using a fiber right now. The power I'm using is 90% power and 8,000 millimeter per second. Okay, so on the controller it said that it will take about 53 seconds to complete these two cards. Okay, so we shall see. Okay, this is, I'm not using the glue, so the aluminum card definitely I will have to use the IR or the fiber. Okay, so it's done. So basically it takes 53 seconds for the two of this aluminum card. Okay, so we should go into the F1 next and we should see how fast it's gonna go. Okay, so I have connected my F1. Alright, we will do the same project again on these two aluminum card. Okay, earlier we have done the F1 Ultra, now we're going to do the F1. Alright, so we will see how long it's going to take. Okay, let me go into process. So approximately it's taking 1 minute and 4 seconds. Okay, so we will start. Okay. Okay, so to begin, I noticed that looks like the power is not high enough, or the speed has been way too high. Basically, I can't be able to have a very clear image. But nevertheless, we shall see after a minute, and should we need to go for another pass, we shall see. Okay, since the F1 is only a 2-watt IR, so obviously there is a big handicap with the Ultra, but we shall see the results when it's done, since it's taking a minute, where else the Ultra is taking less than a minute, but there is a big difference right now from what I can be able to see. Okay, so it's very faint, looks like I need to go for another pass again, we shall see. Okay, so it's done. So the way I look at it, the magenta color is not really perfect, but the blue color looks fine to me. So we will compare the two of this effect. Okay, so very similar. It's just the Ultra give a more white compared to the F1, and basically it took 15 minutes to be able to complete these two using the F1. So that's your comparison speed test between these two aluminum cards.